Hello! So a few months back, your boy had his birthday, and I did what most people do on their birthday. I bought myself something real nice. I decided to pick up Bose's Frames Alto. Now I've heard mixed reviews on these, but in actuality, I truly dig them. The question really is, will you dig them? So let's dig in together. These are the Bose Frames Alto. So I picked mine up at Best Buy for around $200, but of course you can pick these up on Amazon for around the same price. Now you might be thinking, man, $200, that's quite steep. But if you really put it into perspective, $200 for designer brand sunglasses really isn't much. It's actually kind of the norm. But with these, you get some extra features. So let's see what you get in the box. So here's a closer look at the box. We got the brand name right there, Bose front and center. The name of the glasses are called Frames Alto. These sunglasses also feature Bose's augmented reality, and I got mine in a small medium size. But if you have a little bit larger head, go ahead and get the medium and large. There are two different sizes. Up top, we got a side view of the glasses, Frames Alto again. On the back here, we got some more details as to what you're gonna get inside. Looks like we're getting the glasses, we're getting the case, we're getting the proprietary cable, and we get a pouch that we can store the cable in. Speaking of the pouch, here it is. Speaking of the cable, here it is. And as you might be able to see, it's a proprietary cable. These connections right here, they only work to charge the sunglasses. So if you lose this, well, you're kind of SOL, at least until you get a replacement. Underneath that, you'll have some instructions and some reading material, which I really haven't even checked out, but it's there if you want to read it. Here's the hard case that it comes with, Bose on the front, and inside there's a soft gray material that definitely keeps your sunglasses protected. And of course the case stays closed via magnets. Last but not least, here are the goods. Here's a look at the left side of the sunglasses. Here's a look at the right side of the sunglasses. And underneath. So as you can see on the right side, those are the points that you're going to use to charge your device. They have a single button that if you hold it down for 2 seconds, it'll turn it on and it'll start connecting to your device. Or if you turn it upside down while it's on for 2 seconds, it will turn off the device. And these thick parts right here, well, that's going to be your speakers. They're going to be firing down towards your ear and even directly at your ear. So it's going to give you a well-immersed experience. So I guess since we're talking about sound quality, how are they? Well, this is kind of one of those things that you have to kind of experience to totally understand. Don't get me wrong, the mids and the highs are perfect. Everything comes in clear and loud enough in normal circumstances. But as far as the bass goes, you ain't getting anything. Nothing, no bass whatsoever. Now you may ask, well, I have headphones or I have some truly wireless earbuds. Why do I need these? And to be honest, that's a good point. Why would you need these? What circumstance will these serve, let's say, different than some truly wireless earbuds or even some over-the-ear headphones? And honestly, I would just say convenience. Because there have been several times where I'm walking down the street, I forgot my earbuds. I don't have them with me, but I got my sunglasses on. And I want to listen to some tunes. I want to listen to some jams. I want to get down with it, you know what I mean? Now, battery life is not that great, so you're not going to be able to listen to a bunch of music for a long period of time. And like I said, the only way to charge this is with the proprietary cable. So it's, you know, it's give and take, just like anything else. It's give and take. But then again, I say to those naysayers, I mean, if you're going to buy sunglasses anyways, you might as well pick these up because these are UVA and B sunglasses. And they're interchangeable lenses, so you can get them polarized, of course, an additional fee, but there's options out there. So why not get some few extra features that you normally wouldn't get on any just basic sunglasses? I mean, that's one of the main selling points to picking these up. Plus, unlike your truly wireless earbuds that stick in your ear or your over-the-ear headphones, your ears are clear, so you can hear your surroundings very well, even at max volume. But honestly, guys, what do you guys think? Are you going to pick these up? Have you been considering them? Whatever the situation is, if you have a question, don't hesitate. Just leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you as soon as I can. So if you're ready to buy and would like more information on the Bose Frames Alto, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked the video, and I guess a thumbs down if you didn't care for it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram @HandsomeGadgets. Thank you and have a good one.